Hello everyone, my name is Naushad and today we are going to solve these questions for form, structure and sense. First question, which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? The radiation that blank during the decay of radioactive atomic nuclei is known as gamma radiation. So here we need to look at the subject, what we are talking about, the radiation. So the subject here is the radiation, it is singular. So the verb here, it should also be according to the subject, singular. So it will be occurs. Here, I can explain this with the help of subject verb agreement. Subject means the thing that we are talking about. A person, thing, or place that we are talking about, that will be our subject. And verb is the action of that particular thing or person. Like here, for example, we can say that Messi plays football. So here, Messi is our subject. It is singular. So the verb here, it will have an S or ES in the end because here we are talking about subject verb agreement in which tense we are talking about it in simple present tense. Simple present tense is used when something happens at regular intervals of time. Like every day it is happening or it is happening regularly, like every few days it is happening. Like Messi plays football, so Messi is a footballer, so definitely he's going to play football, not every day, then every 2 days, every 3 days, or at least every week. So this is an activity that is repeating. Now similarly here, if we say Messi and Ronaldo, so now here the subject is what? Messi and Ronaldo, so it is plural. The subject is plural. So now the verb, it will not have an S or ES in the end. It will only be play. There will be no S or ES. So similarly, here we can see we are talking about the radiation. So that is singular. And the radiation that blank during the decay of radioactive atomic nuclei is known as gamma radiation. So this is giving us hint that it is simple present tense because here is mentioned. So here the radiation that blank during the decay of radioatomic nuclei, here radiation, it is singular. So that's why there should be an S or ES in the verb. So it will be occurs. And here we can also use a cancellation method like, or we can call it the odd one out method. In that we might get it correct or we might get it wrong, but we should use it only when we are not knowing the answer. Like we are not sure about the answer at all. Then we can use a cancellation method. We might get it right. Like, here, look at the options. Occurs, have occurred, occur, and are occurring. So have occurred, it is plural. Occur is also plural, and are occurring is also plural. Occurs is the only one that is singular. So that is going to be the answer. This is the cancellation method. It might work or it might not work. So we should use it as a last resort. When we do not have any answer, we don't know anything, then we can try this. We might get the correct answer. Now, second one. Mathematician and meteorologist Edward Lorenz used the metaphor of the butterfly effect to explain how seemingly minor events can have major impacts on future weather. According to Lorenz's metaphor, the wind from a butterfly flapping blank in Brazil might eventually grow into a storm elsewhere across the globe. So here we can look at the option, it swings, again it swings, but here there is an apostrophe in the end after S. Here there are two apostrophes. There is an apostrophe in its as well as in wings. Here also there is apostrophe in its and in wings, but here it is before S and here it is after S. So we need to understand the importance of the apostrophe here. Like I can say, for example, Joanna's bag is expensive. So here I am not talking about Joanna, I am talking about the bag actually. Joanna's bag. So whenever we are talking about apostrophe, whenever we are using apostrophe, the word after that, it belongs to that particular thing. Like Joanna's bag, so the bag belongs to Joanna. Or we can say the bag of Joanna, like that. So here, if we use apostrophe in wings, then the word after that, in the blank, if we'll put its wings with apostrophe, after that we have in Brazil. So this in Brazil, it is not going to belong to the wings. That's why there cannot be an apostrophe. So option B, C, and D, all of them are not possible. It has to be option A, its wings. Now, third one, Farooq El-Baz, comma, a geologist and space scientist, comma, blank, part of the team that selected the lunar landing sites for the Apollo program during the 1960s and 1970s. So here we need to look at the subject Farooq El-Baz. This is our subject. After that, there is a comma, a geologist and space scientist, comma. So this is describing who Farooq El-Baz was. This is the extra information that is given. This is not the subject. The subject is Farooq El-Baz, and he's only one person. So this whole part, this blank, it needs to be singular. So here we can see are, it is plural. Have been, it is plural. Were, it is plural. Only was is singular. So option B will be the answer. Now, fourth one, obsidian is a kind of volcanic glass formed when lava cools so quickly that the atoms inside it cannot arrange themselves in a crystalline structure. You blank more about obsidian structure, which is classified as amorphous in a later chapter. So here we can see it is talking that we are going to study about this in a later chapter. So not right now. It is not going to happen right now. It is not happening in the past. It is going to happen in the future. So we need to look at the future tense. Here will learn will be the only one that is in future. Now, on April 5, 1977, Kitty Cohn and 150 other disability rights activists entered a San Francisco federal building. After pleading for years to no effect for the passage of key anti-discrimination legislation, comma, blank, until their demands were addressed. So here we need to understand that before this blank here, there is a comma. So whatever is written here, after the comma, the person or the thing needs to do this activity. We need to think of it like that. So after pleading for years to no effect for the passage of key anti-discrimination legislation, so after this we need to write the person or thing, whatever it is, that should have pleaded for years. So now we can look at the option pressure. Pressure cannot plead. Pressure is a non-living thing. So it is wrong. Then a sit-in protest. So again, a sit-in protest cannot plead. Now option C, lawmakers, and option D, the activists. So both of them can plead, but here we need to understand the context. Kitty Cohn and 150 other disability rights activists entered a San Francisco federal building. So here we are talking about this activist. So it makes sense that the activists were pleading because they were the ones who had entered the building. And the other thing here we can understand that here they are talking after pleading for years to no effect for the passage of key anti-discrimination legislation. So lawmakers are the ones who are making law. So they do not need to plead. So that's why option C is also not possible. Option D, the activist, will be the answer because they are the ones who pleaded for years. They are the ones that are talked about here. Now, sixth one, far from being modern inventions, comma. So here after this, in the blank, the thing that we are talking about, it is far from being a modern invention. So Sumerians is the people living in Sumeria. So it is wrong. It cannot be an invention. Drinking straws, it can be an invention. The use of drinking straws, so that is wrong. We are not talking about drinking straws here. We are talking about the use of drinking straws. So that cannot be an invention. Ancient Mesopotamia, so that is also wrong because that is the name of a place. It is not an invention. So only option B is possible to be an invention. They are saying far from being modern invention means it can be a old invention, but it has to be an invention. So option B will be the correct answer. Seventh one, despite being cheap, versatile, and easy to produce, comma, then there is a blank. So whatever is there in the blank, it has to be cheap, versatile, and easy to produce. So we can see option A, there are two problems. So it is wrong. We are talking about something that should be cheap, versatile, and easy to produce. So here they are talking about problems. It is wrong. Two problems. Again, we are not talking about problem. We are talking about something that is cheap, versatile, and easy to produce. Then commercial plastics, apostrophe, two associated problems. So here we need to understand, go back to this. Here we talked about Joanna's bag is expensive. So here we are not talking about Joanna. We are talking about the bag of Joanna. So similarly, here also, when we are using apostrophe, we are not talking about commercial plastics. We are talking about the two associated problems of commercial plastics. So this will also be wrong. In all three of them, again, the odd one out you can do. All of them were talking about problems. Here in the main way, they were talking about problems. Like here, there are two problems, and commercial plastics, apostrophe, two associated problems. So two associated problems of commercial plastics. It is like that. And here it is commercial plastics have two associated problems. So the main subject here, it is commercial plastics. So commercial plastics can be cheap, versatile, and easy to produce. So option D will be the correct answer. Now, Rabenal Achi is a pre-colonial Maya dance drama performed annually in Rabenal, a town in the Guatemalan highlands, based on events that occurred when Rabenal was a city-state ruled by a king, comma, blank. So based on events that occurred when Ravenel was a city-state ruled by a king. So what can be based on events? Ravenel Achi, that is the dance drama. Here, it is a pre-colonial Maya dance drama. So it is possible. Ravenel Achi, we can say it is possible. Then Kishia Achi, the military leader in the story of Ravenel Achi. So Kishia Achi is the name of a person. So he cannot be based on events. Then the military leader, again, military leader cannot be based on events. There was a military leader, again, not based on events. So Ravenel Achi can be the one that can be based on events because that is a dance drama. Now, ninth one, the artistic talents of Barbara Chase Rebord, most known for her 1979 historical novel, Sally Hemings and the conversation it inspired, comma, then there is a blank. So here after the comma, there is a blank. So we are talking about what? The artistic talents of Barbara Chase Rebord. We need to understand that our subject is what? Artistic talents of Barbara Chase Rebord. This is the extra information, comma to comma. Most known for her 1907 historical novel, Sally Hemings and the conversation it inspired. That is the extra info that we do not need. The main subject is artistic talents of Barbara Chase Rebord. So often students get misunderstood here that Barbara Chase Rebord is the subject. No, not Barbara Chase Rebord. It is the artistic talents of Barbara Chase Rebord. So the artistic talents, it is plural. So here hasn't been, it is singular. Wasn't singular, isn't singular. Only aren't is plural. So this will be the answer. Now this, known as Earth's living skin, biocrust are thin layers of soil held together by surface-dwelling microorganisms such as fungi, lichens, and cyanobacteria, fortifying soil in arid ecosystem against erosion, comma, blank. So here, whatever is after the comma, that needs to fortify soil in arid ecosystems against erosion. So recent studies estimate, so that cannot fortify the soil. An estimated 60% reduction cannot fortify the soil. These crust is possible. They can fortify the soil. A recent study cannot fortify the soil. So option C is the answer. I hope you understood this and found this helpful. If you found this helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.